Hello. Good evening, Esther.
Yes, sir.
Esther, can you hear me? Good
Yes,
evening.
sir.
Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Right. You can hear me. Right. So you are the only person for today's class. What about others? So we'll start the lesson, no? So, so now we are in the second unit, right? So give me a minute. Right. We'll start the lesson, no? Saru Ashini, can you hear me? Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. So, Saru Ashini, we are in the second unit, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you know. Right. So the fundamentals of computer system. So computer, computer is a system. Computer is a system which receives the data and instructions from from user, and it will process according to the instruction of user. Right. Then will output the information to the user. Right. So that is the main process of computer, right? So there are some special characteristics in a computer, right? So the first one is speed. So computer can work very speed, execute more than 1 million instructions per second, right? Right. So then accuracy, efficiency, versatility, storing and retrieving. So these are special characteristics of computer. So we already discussed that in the last classes, right? Then classification of computer. We already classified the computers into two types, no? What are the two types of computers? Yes. Can classify the computers into two types, no? So according to size and according to technology, right? Under physical the size, we can classify the computers into four types. The first one is supercomputer, and the second one is mainframe computer, and the third one is mini computer, and the last one is microcomputer. So these are the four uh, different types of computers under physical size of the computer, right? And according to technology, can classify the computers into three types. One is analog computer, the second one is a digital computer, and the third one is hybrid. Hybrid means a combination of analog and digital computers together, right? And also we discuss about the function of a computer system, right? So the diagram is there, right? So in the last class, we finally discussed this diagram, no? Sarvashini, yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So now you know that the processes related to a computer by using these input devices, then main memory, and by using these output devices. Right. So now we have to discuss about the physical components of computer. Right. So today we'll discuss about the physical components of computer. The physical components means the uh, devices, right? So we used to call these devices as hardwares, computer hardwares, right? So can classify these physical components or hardware into several types according to their processes or according to this, right? So the first one is input device. The first one is input device. So what do you mean by input device? What is the use of input device in computers or computing devices? What is the use of input devices? Sarvashini, yes, sir. What is the main use of these input devices in computers?
Data instructions are fed to the computer system.
Right. Data and instructions are fed to the computer by these kind of devices, right? Or to feed data and instruction computer, we need input devices, right? Okay, very good. So we can a number of input devices in our computers, right? In that, the prime input device of the computer is keyboard, right? So by typing, can input the data and also the instruction to the computer by typing, right? So, right, there are different types of keys in a keyboard, right? So here we have the typing keys. That means the alphabet letters, right? So by using these alphabet keys, can type different text words. That's all, right? So these keys are called as typing keys in a keyboard, right? And here we have some special keys like tab key, caps lock, then shift, right? So these are special keys, right? So here we have print screen, no, pause break, like that. We have several keys. These are categorized under special keys, right? And also we have control keys in our computer, right? So in this part we have that different control keys, and also here control alt, these are also categorized under control keys, right? Then in right side of the keyboard we have some special way for numerical works, right? So that is called numeric keys, right, or number keys, right? And in the top side of the keyboard, we have some keys named with F1 to F12. F1 to F12. These are called function keys. These keys are called as function keys, right? So like F1, F2, F3 up to F12, we have function keys, right? Each function keys different task. For example, when we press F5, right, that is used to refresh the computer. Refresh the computer. Like that, we have several uh, keys in our keyboard, right? Is it clear? Is it clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So now we'll move to the next one. The next pointing device is mouse, right? So mouse is also a popular or most input device in a computer, right? To point out something in the screen, we need mouse, right? It is called as pointing device. Okay, right. So in mouse, we have two buttons. One is called as right button and the other one is left button, right? Right button and left button. Here in the center, we have a scroll, right? So by using left button, you can use several options. And for selecting some menus, you need to press right button in the mouse, right? Then there is a wheeler in the center, right? To move the screen or to scroll the screen, we need this wheel, right? And in laptops and other tab computers, we have the touchpad, right? So instead of mouse, we can use this touchpad to instruct or to feed instruction the computer, right? Right. The next one is a touch screen, right? So touch screen is used to in several devices nowadays, in laptops, in tab computers, in smartphones, in smart boards, then interactive panels, in ATM machines, no, the all types of devices, right? But instead of computer mouse and the keyboard, you can use the touch screen option. Okay. Okay, just see. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Saroshi, it's clear, no?
Yes.
If you have any doubts, then ask me. Okay. Right. So, the next input device, example number 3, joystick. Right. So this one is also categorized under pointing device. Right. So this is used to play games. Okay. Computer games, we need a joystick. Right. So by using this joystick can give instructions to the computer. Right. For example, in a game, right? Imagine you are in a car game, right? Car racing game. Then you can instruct the car by using this joystick, right? To increase the speed or to decrease the speed, or okay, you can use this joystick to input the right. So because of that, joystick is an input device, and in this can use a light pen as a input device, right? So in interactive boards or you can use the light pen to point out, right? To do or write in the screen can use this light pen. So light pen is also an input device. This is mostly used in computer aided designing CAD machine. Right. And the third types of input devices, imaging and video devices. Imaging and video input devices. So this device or these devices put input photographs and also the videos to the computer, right? So by using the display unit, this is output the words, right? So photographs to videos, you can use these digital cameras, and also you can use the web camera to input the videos or visuals, right? So you can see in laptops there is a web camera, right? And also you can connect externally to by right. So in laptops, the web cameras thing, the screen, top of the screen, you can see that, right? For desktop camera, desktop computers, you can fix the web camera externally. right? So this one is also input the visuals yours to the computer. So because of that, web camera is also categorized under input device, right? And the third example is closed circuit TV under screen imaging and video input device, right? So CCTV captures the and also it with the input to the computers. Mm. So CCTV camera is also as input device. And the fourth category of input device is flatbed scanners. Flatbed scanner to convert a document into soft copy can use these flatbed scanners, right? Okay. Converting hard copy into soft copy can use this flatbed scan. So you can scan a document or a picture and you can save that document in computer by using this flatbed scanner. Because of that, scanner is an input device, right? And the second type of scanner is barcode reader. Barcode reader. In supermarkets, you can see this device. No? You know this device? Yes, sir?
Yes.
Where you can see this device?
In supermarket.
Yes, in supermarkets like Cargill's. No? Right. So, this device or this barcode reader will receive the data from this barcode. So it will scan the barcode and it will send the data to the computer or to the system. So because of that, this barcode reader is categorized under input device, a part of scan, right? And the magnetic ink character reader, which is used to uh, scan the check used by current accounts in banks. The take, right? So it will confirm the originality of the check, right? So in the bottom side of the check, there are some secret codes like bank code, bank account number, and check leaf number is there, right? By using these thing, the magnetic ink character reader will the and it will confirm the originality of the check, right? And the optical character recognition OCR. So this will that or scan text in documents, right? So when we write notes in our exercise book, we'll to use the highlighter, no? To highlight some important notes. So like that, within a document, you can capture the text thing that you want, right? So the optical character recognition will save the selected term uh, in a document. So that is optical character recognition by using this OCR thing. And the next one, optical mark recognition. Optical mark recognition. It will receive or it will scan the special characteristics within the document, right? It will read and feed the data to the computer. So because of that, optical mark recognition is also an input device, right? Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Then example number 6, automated teller machine. Automated teller machine. So the ATM, no? So ATM is also an input device. ATM is also used as an input device. When we input the ATM card to the machine, it will, and also we have to insert the PIN number of the ATM card. Then it will think code the system and it will send the data to the system. So because of that, ATM machine is also an input device. And microphone will receive the sound and feed to the system. So because of that, microphone is also an input device. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So there are number of input devices, right? Starts from a keyboard up to speakers. There are a number of input device with various related activities. Okay, so it's clear now,
Yes, sir.
right? So you have to remember that these this can be categorized under this thing, and also you have to remember the uses of these devices, right? By using these shells in the exam paper, right? So it's easy to answer. So we'll continue. The next topic is output device. Output devices. The device, the device which produce the output of the process by the as information. So you know that in data processing, information is the output. So the devices which produces output of process as information is called as output devices, right? So there are three types of outputs from a computer, or three types of informations there as output from the computer. The first one is soft copy, right? The first one is soft copy, and the second one is hard copy, and the third one is sound, right? So what do you mean by a soft copy? Yes. What do you mean by a soft copy? Sarvashini, what do you mean by a soft copy?
The output on the screen is called
Yasta, your mic is not clear.
output on a screen is called soft copy.
Right, okay. The output on the screen is called a soft copy, right? So, the documents or the files which made by an application software is called as a soft copy, right? For example, a document like a letter, the drafts, right? Assignments, and videos, audios, image. These types of called as soft copy, right? Then the hard copy means the printed version of soft copy. Printed versions of soft copy is called hard copy. And the third output form is sound, right? So these are the three different outputs or types of outputs from a computer. Soft copy, hard copy, the third one, sound. Okay, right. So the monitor or the screen, monitor or the screen is the main output device which produce soft copy as output. Soft copy as output. Right? Monitor or screen. Right. So there are three types of monitors in the market. In earlier days, we use this a cathode ray tube monitor, CRT monitor, the larger one within the size. Right? So you know this monitor? You know this monitor? Sarvashini? Yes, sir. Right. In earlier
Yes,
days,
sir.
they use this kind of monitors. Right? So the main technology used in this CRT monitor, cathode ray tube monitor, right? Cathode ray tube is the main technology of these monitors, right? So it's very large in size and also consumes more electricity than other monitors, right? So the special characteristics of these CRT types of monitor is large in size and consumes more electricity. Consumes more electricity, right? And the second one is a liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal display, LCD. And in the main technology is liquid crystal, uh, right? And the last one is LED. LED is screens built with light emitting diodes that is called LED, right? Right. So the special characteristics of LED monitor, less power consumption or low electricity consumption when we compared with other two monitors or other two types of monitors, CRT and LCD. Okay, it's clear now? Right. So for large number of crowd or for large number of audience can use multimedia as an output device to show the documents or to show the screen to several number of people, right? For example, when we present something by using a presentation software, right? So you can use multimedia projector, or nowadays we can use the smart boards or smart panels or the interactive panels to show the document or the soft copy to large number of people, right? So the multimedia projector or smart board or smart TV or interactive panel also works as output device which produces the soft copy as output. Okay? Right. And the second type is the hard copy. The printers are the main output device of hard copy, right? Printers. So there are two types of printers. The first one is impact printer, and the other one is non-impact printer. Impact printer and non-impact printer. So there are two examples for impact printers. One is dot matrix printer, and the other one is line printer. And the second type, non-impact printers. So there are three examples for non-impact printers. The first one is a laser printer. Second one, bubble printer, inkjet printer. And the third one is thermal printer. Thermal printer. Right. So the back printing technology, there is a right. So this one is dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printer is an example for impact printer. So impact means there is a force. So in this dot matrix printer, there is a part is called as head of this print, right? So the head will run here and there, right? So therefore, and it will print in the paper. There is a ribbon when the uh, head touches the ribbon, it will print, right? So head strikes on the inked ribbon with the needle, then it will print in the paper. So that is dot matrix printer. So you can see the output of dot matrix printer. A letter is combined with the number of dots, right? So because of that, this printer is called or categorized under dot matrix printer. And the second one is line printer. So this is the fast printer which prints one row at a time. This can print about 3000 lines per minute. Okay, when we compare with dot matrix printer, line printer is the fastest one. Okay, right. And the second type of printer is non-impact printer, right? Without any impact, using other technologies works, that is called non-impact printer, right? So in non-impact printer, the first type is a laser printer. Laser printer. In laser printer, the toner is there. Toner means the dried ink, like like uh, powder, right? So in the cartridge, you have to fill the dried ink or the toner, and you can insert this toner into the printer. Then it will print. Right? So you need, if you need to get a clear and quality printers, then you have to use laser printers. So laser printers are by using the toner and cartridge. Then it will provide quality printouts. Right? Okay? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Right. And then the second type of printer, non-impact printer, is bubble or inkjet printer. Bubble or inkjet printer. So in the you have bottles or else then cartridges there, specially used for the color prints. To make color prints, we need this bubble or inkjet printer. So nowadays, in the laser printer also, we have that color printing options, right? And the last one or the third type of the non-impact printer is thermal printer. What is that? Thermal printer. So you can see this image. When we swipe the credit card, right? Then it will produce the output like this or the printout like this, right? So this one is thermal printer. So by generating the receipts in ATM machine, then it is called thermal printer, right? And the fourth example, right, for hard document or the copy, then you can use a plotter to make prints. like the designings of architectural thing, implants to gate. Okay, to make these kind of large printouts, we have to use plotters, right? So plotters are also type of print, right? For specially designing purpose and to take a plan as and can use a plotter. And the third one is sound, right? So the speakers are produce the sound as output. Okay, right? Is it clear, students? Right. Okay. So that's all in the input devices and from output devices. Right. It's clear now. If you have any doubts, then you can ask me. So we started the lesson from 2.4 today, right? Okay, so this one. So until output device, finish that. Right, any doubts? Any doubts? No.
No, sir.
Right. So if you have no doubts, then we'll go to the next part. That is central processing unit. So central processing unit is a main component of a computer, right? So which is responsible for the processing or the execution or the functions of computer. The central processing unit or CPU is the main. It works as a controller or works as a main part of the computer, right? So CPU consists of three main components. There are three main components in a CPU, right? Right. So what are the three basic components of central processing unit? The first one is ALU. ALU means arithmetic and logical unit. Arithmetic and logical unit. And the second one is control unit, CU. CU or control unit. And the third one is memory registers. Third one is memory register. So these are the three basic or three main components of central processing unit. So the ALU, arithmetic and logical unit, will perform all the mathematical and logical functions of a computer. Right? It will perform all the mathematical and logical functions of computer, ALU. And the control unit, it controls all the peripheral devices. That means the hardware of computer. And also it will control all other softwares. This, right? Especially controls all the devices, peripheral devices of the computer. To control softwares, we need operating system, right? So to control all the peripheral devices, we need control unit. And the memory registers. Memory registers are temporary memory part of a computer, right? It will store the data need for the function of ALU and the information produced by ALU for a short time of period. Short time of period means temporarily stores the data and instructions and also the informations. Okay. Because of that, memory registers are called as temporary memory. Temporary memory. Okay. So these are the main components of CPU and the functions of those uh, main components. Okay, is it clear, Sarvashini?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yastra? Right. So today we discuss the peripheral devices. That means the input devices, the output devices, and the central processing device or central processing unit of the computer. Right. So then we have to discuss about the storage devices of computer. So before that, the computer speed is there, right? So the speed of a computer is called computer speed or clock speed of the computer, right? To measure computer speed or the clock speed, mm, the uh, and hertz, right? Hertz, Hz is the measuring unit of clock speed of the computer or the speed of the computer, right? Hertz is there, then megahertz, gigahertz, like that. We can measure the speed of the computer, right? Okay, it's clear now. The measuring unit of clock speed or the computer speed is hertz. Then we have megahertz and gigahertz. Right. Any doubts, Sarvashini? Yes, sir.
No, sir.
So no doubts, right? Okay. So that's all for today's session. So in the next class, we'll discuss about the storage devices. Okay. Okay, Sarvashini. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. So that's all for today's session. We'll meet you in the next class. Next week, same time. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good night. God bless you.